One of my favorite types of e-bikes are these folding kind. They're so convenient. You can practically put them in any car. So today we're gonna take this bike for a little adventure. Guys, today is about to be a banger freaking day. Like, when do you ever see me loading a bike in a car and going to a different city? So if you guys been following the channel, my favorite type of e-bike, hold on, let me put my seatbelt on, safety first. But if you guys been following the channel, you guys will know that my very first e-bike was a folding fat tire e-bike, and I've been in love ever since. You know, a lot of guys start off with like a moped style e-bike, like a Super 73, maybe an electric dirt bike, you know, like a Sur-Ron. Mine was a folding e-bike, and it was cheap because I didn't have a lot of money. This bike is actually pretty cheap. It's only like $500 right now. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Today we're headed to a city that I used to live as a child. The plan is to pull up to a local park. I want to switch out this long giraffe neck stem for a turtleneck stem and BMX bars.
What's your name?
My name is David.
David. David, yes. You've been to my house. You swam in my pool.
Donna.
Are you? Yes.
Oh my God, you're my freaking neighbor. Hey,
Yes.
Donna.
How's your folks doing?
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
What are the odds that we run into each other? That's crazy.
Oh my gosh, how cool is this? What are you doing?
That's so crazy, Donna. I'm not gonna lie. Today was a random day. I wanted to come down here and just film in my, you know, the town that I grew up in.
Yeah.
And then what are the odds I see my next door neighbor?
Oh
That's
my
freaking
God.
crazy. You guys still live over there?
We still live in the same place. Oh, cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna ride around. I'll probably go up the street,
Yeah.
show them the old house, go down the hill. You
Yeah.
know, that'd be cool. Guys, what did I say, dude? Today is about to be freaking tight as hell. Just arrived in my old hometown and ran into my next door neighbor, literally. Like, I just pulled up here. You can't plan that. I can't plan it. All right, guys, here's the bike. Like I was saying, it's gonna be a folding fat tire e-bike. Trust me, this bike looks weak as hell right now, but we're gonna switch out these bars and it's gonna be super dope. Guys, we're gonna be giving this bike away. This is gonna be an ongoing series. We're gonna be fully customizing this bike, tricking it out to the point where it looks amazing. And then at the end, we're gonna give it away to a lucky subscriber. Before we switch the bars out, I wanna just ride around the park real quick. I just wanna reminisce on my childhood, man. I'm not gonna lie. Growing up out here was amazing. Guys, I literally just ran into my next door neighbor. Like, you guys don't understand how random that is. Like, I randomly decided to come down here today. I randomly decided to park right there. And she randomly decided to wake up and go for a morning walk. Like, what the heck? I actually used to live on this street right here. I remember when I first moved out here, they were building up this mosque, and now this thing is freaking huge as heck. It was like a tiny building when we first moved out here. It was like that size. And now it's like huge. So if you guys don't know, we are currently in Corona, California. This is where your boy grew up. I lived out here when I was like 10 years old all the way up to like 18, 19 years old. Check it out, City of Corona, the Circle City. All right, we just did a lap around the park. Let's go ahead and go inside. I didn't see any signs that said no e-bike, so I think we're good. This bike has so much acceleration. Like, this bike is perfect for like little routes like this. Oh dang, sharp turn, power through. Sick. We're gonna go this way. Dude, look at all these little pathways. I love it. Yeah, this is sick. This is amazing, guys. I used to freaking run laps around this park to stay in shape. They used to have like dope fireworks shows over here for 4th of July. Hello. Nope. Hey, how's it going? Nope. Dude, everybody out here is so nice too. And then check it out. This park has a freaking skate park. I remember when they were first building this joint, they had like a fence surrounding the whole joint, and me and my friends that used to live on that street, we would ride our BMX bikes over here, and we like throw the bikes over the fence, hop the fence, and we like do this little skate park. I remember it had like sand and like dirt. It wasn't even fully built, but we used to come over here after school. That's so cool. All right, guys, so here's the BMX bars. and our turtleneck shorty. We also got our quill stem adapter and our tools. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death with a step-by-step instructional on how to switch to BMX. We're gonna make this visually pleasing, but if you guys are looking for an instructional video, I will leave a link to one in the description down below. So let's take a look at the bike now. Have a look at the overall silhouette of the bike. Is it speaking to you? To me, it's saying goose. It's saying giraffe. It's saying grandma. But in a minute, that's all about to change. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is so nostalgic. That's crazy. What's up, Terry White? I think John and Octavio is right here. We got Edson. No, this is John and Octavio. Dude, this is so tight. This is my old freaking hood. This is Sam and Aaron's house, I believe. And this is Russell's house. And guys, guess what? You are now looking at David Brand New's house when he was a teenager. This is freaking crazy. I used to have to cut this freaking grass. When I was little, me and my neighbor Russell, we used to take these little seeds off the tree. We made like these little shooters, and he would stand down at his house, I would stand down at my house, and we'd be like shooting them at each other back and forth. That was so tight. All right, anyways, I am going down a rabbit hole. What are we saying about the BMX bars though, guys? Like, doesn't it change the bike completely? Like, I don't know why any of these folding bikes come with the long giraffe neck stem. Like, it's ridiculous right now. If you guys do like this look, check out davidbrandnew.com, pick you up a turtleneck stem. I want to take you guys to this super nice neighborhood. They have a whole bunch of like mansions and stuff like that. Freaking Travis Barker, the drummer for Blink-182, used to live over there, so that's pretty dope. Check these out though. These are sick. I wouldn't mind living over here. Dude, they got a full freaking balcony in the front. Come on now. They are living the life. Guys, this street, like, all the richest people live over here. Check this out. Dude, this guy has a freaking Maybach Mercedes on a flat tire. Now, if you needed some freaking motivation, here it is. This is the life I'm trying to live. Look at this house. That is ridiculous. Dude, they have a full-blown basketball court. Look at that. That's dope. Check this out. This is my house right here for the Leos. Yeah. Dude, look at this one. This looks like a freaking tropical oasis. Look at all the freaking palm trees. Oh, dude, what was that? Dude, look at the freaking, what is that in the back? Oh my God, that's like a freaking resort. Guys, I can't wait to give this bike to a subscriber. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm actually looking forward to it. Like, if somebody came up to me today, right now, and said they were subscribed to my channel, I probably would give them this bike. Even though I have this full-blown plan for it, like, I really just want to give it away. I recently surprised a kid with the e-bike, and that just felt so good. Like, I kind of want to continue that on the channel. Hey, are you subscribed to David Brand New? Yeah. No? Okay, I thought I knew you. Hey, are you subscribed to David Brand New? Nope. Hey, what's up, man? You doing some content?
Yeah, we do TikTok, one and only. Check us out, Magic Crack Filler. Put it into Google, you'll find us. I appreciate you guys.
All right, shout out. Dude, this is sick. I need to come out here more often. Leave a like on the video if you guys want me to come back to Corona. This bike is eating this hill, by the way. Oh shoot, we're only working with 1 bar of battery. We probably should turn around. What you trying to do? Hold on here. That's a dog from Sandlot. Hell nah. I ain't playing with you. Ooh, we're zooming now. Let's hit this corner. Don't hit the yellow freaking pole. Woo! In the dirt. Oh, out of the dirt. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice little jump. Oh, that was sick. Do you watch YouTube?
No.
You don't watch YouTube?
No.
Do you know who David Brand New is?
Nope.
He's giving away a free e-bike, okay?
Nope. I don't know.
Let everybody know to follow David Brand New on YouTube. He's giving this away for free.
Yeah.
Okay? It's gonna be free. David Brand New. All right? See you later. Oh my freaking God. This bike is freaking sexy as hell. And this is just the beginning, guys. Only thing that we did was switch to BMX, and now it looks 100 times better. But we're gonna continue to customize this bike If you guys have any ideas, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. And I wanted to give a massive shout out to our Hawaii distributor. His name is Joe. I'll leave a link to him in the description down below. If you guys live out there and you guys are interested in the turtleneck stem, definitely hit him up, all right? Also, if you're an e-bike brand, bike shop, I offer wholesale pricing on the turtleneck stem. Definitely hit me up if you want to become a distributor. That's gonna do it for the video though. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, hit that like button one time. Don't forget to subscribe for a free e-bike, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces like that. Yee!